Hi guys, it's Sophia again, here to give you a second lesson on how to use our online resources. So, let's do it. We are going to do it the way we always do at the VPL website. We're going to go to Catalog on your account, as we've done before. And in this top right hand corner, you can see we're not logged on yet, so let's do that. And again, you're going to need your library card number, which if you don't have, give me a call at the circ desk and I'd be happy to get that for you. Okay, and your password's your last name in all lowercase letters. Oh, I did that wrong. Okay, let's log on. Okay, so right now, if we look at our screen, the top right-hand corner says our temporary book bag. So right now, I have 4 things that I am thinking about reading. So this is kind of like a shopping cart when you're online shopping, and you're not really sure you want to buy it yet. So I have these ones in there that I'm thinking about. So I'll add another one just to show you how to do it. So I love this book called Six of Crows by Leah Bardugo. And if you know me, I will not stop yelling about it. And if we look here, it does say in the young adult room. So I'm going to click on the red title and we're going to look at this top right hand corner as well. There are 2 options that you have. You can go to reserve the book immediately, or we can add it to our book bag, which is what we're going to do today. We're going to add it to our bag and the little check mark went. So now we're going to view our temporary book bag again. And we can see that right here, Six of Crows got added to the middle. So if I wanted to read these books and get them all, what we're going to do is we're going to push select. So this puts a little check mark next to every single book that I am interested in. And then if we go to our right, this little blue box that says reserve, click it. And now a little dialog box pops up and says that I reserved 5 items. So now my computer at the circulation desk will make a lot of binging sounds, and I will pull these books for you and get them checked out and ready to go. One important thing to think of though, if you're an adult, you may have 10 books reserved on your card at a time, and if you're a kid, you only get 3. So keep that in mind when you're reserving anything, and call me if you need help.